Hi students, in this video we will discuss about storage classes. Here the storage classes describes the following features of the variables like memory location, that is where the memory will be allocated, and the default value, scope and lifetime. So here scope or visibility, lifetime means whether the memory is allocated till the execution of that block or function or till the end of the program. So every storage class will be determined based on this following features. Here there are four types of storage classes. So they are the types of storage classes are: first one, automatic storage class; second, register storage class; third one, static storage class; and the fourth one is extern storage class. Here every storage class will discuss these four concepts. That is, so for automatic storage class, what is the memory location and what is the default value and what is the scope and what is the lifetime. Similarly for register, static, extern also we will be discussing these 4 points. Now in this video we will discuss with examples the two types of storage classes I will explain. One is automatic, the other one is register. Here so with examples we will see. First, automatic storage class. Here automatic storage class, we use a keyword called auto. Keyword is used for creating automatic storage class variables. While declaring the variables, we use this keyword auto. Example, auto int x something. For automatic storage class, memory location is RAM or primary memory. For all these variables, memory will be allocated in primary memory. And the default value means, suppose if you do not give any value, like just you have declared the variable int a, then what will be the value of that a? Or we have declared auto int a, then what will be the default value of a? That value for automatic type of variables, it is a garbage value, means unknown value will be there. Next one, scope. Scope means visibility. So automatic storage class variables, these variables are visible only in the blocks or functions in which they are declared, that is local to the block or function in which they are declared. Then lifetime. What is the lifetime of the variables? That is, we can call it as date of birth of the variable and date of or time of birth and time of death. Excuse me. Here lifetime is when the memory will be allocated and when the memory is destroyed. That is, here we speak when the memory is allocated and when the memory is destroyed for these variables. That is, when the function is called, memory will be allocated. When the execution of function is completed, memory of that variable is destroyed. That is, till the execution of the block or function. That is automatic storage class. Now let us see one simple example for automatic storage class. Here I am declaring a variable called storage class auto int x. Now x equal to, you can give some value 10. Now run this program, printf x equal to %d /n comma x. Save. Then save this program, compile and run the program. So here you can see x value is 10. Suppose if you remove this 10, what it will display? It will display some unknown value. That unknown value we call it as garbage value. Here in this case it has displayed 0, or it may display some other value also. Suppose take some other value, auto int y. So x equal to %d and y equal to %d. Then x comma y. Save your program, compile and run the program. Check your program. X equal to 0, y equal to 1 it is displaying. What value it will display we cannot say exactly, so we call it as garbage value or unknown value. That is automatic storage class. And one important point about automatic storage class is the default storage class, that is even though you do not use the keyword auto, whatever the variables we have declared till now, all the variables comes under automatic storage classes. Okay, that is about automatic storage class. Now let us discuss about the second type of storage class, that is register storage class. Here for register storage class, in order to declare the variables, we use a keyword called register keyword. Register keyword is used for declaring the variables, that is register int x or int I we use. Then here memory location. For register storage class, memory will be allocated in CPU registers. Memory will be allocated in CPU registers, and the default value here is same, the garbage value. If you do not give any value, its value will be garbage value. Scope of register storage class is local to the block or function in which they are declared. Then lifetime is same till the execution of block or function exits, that is lifetime of the register storage class. It will execute till the end of the block, that is memory will be allocated till the end of the block or function completes, that is register storage class. So as the memory is allocated in CPU registers, accessing of these variables will be very fast. So which type of variables we need to declare as a register storage class means repeatedly accessing variables, that is example loop variables. Generally we declare the loop variables as register storage class. So only the difference between automatic and register is memory location. Remaining all the things are same as auto, both will be same. Now let us see the example. So example for register storage class. Here for register storage class, just we use the variable register int I, that is repeatedly accessing variable, we declare as register storage class. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 100, I plus plus. Then we use here printf percentage 5d comma I. So save your program, then save, compile and run the program. So displays 1 to 100, the values will be displayed onto the screen. Here in order to display this, that is the repeatedly accessing variables, we declare them as register storage class variables, so that the memory will be allocated in CPU registers. Accessing of these variables will be very fast. So in the next video we will see static storage class. Thank you.